Hey guys, what's up here? Wolverine Man here. And today we're gonna ride my little dirt bike that I got. So we finna ride it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope everyone had a Thanksgiving, cause I sure did. So let me turn around. Okay, we're filming. Okay, there she going, taking off. Woo! Yep. Let's turn around. Woo! So yeah. So y'all just decided to ride this dirt bike for y'all. Y'all can see, I'm just riding straight ahead, but make a turn of that tree. So yeah. Woo! Woo! Baby! Woo! Yeah, so just riding out here. So it's a pretty cold day. So I just decided to come out here and ride. Oh, it's kind of bumpy. She could sit. Yeah. Oh, okay, guys. That was just a little video about riding my dirt bike. Hold up, let me see. Cause she was going cause it was going kind of slow, but I think it's going slow cause